Local news for Tuesday, the 8th of September. Ben McNabb from Matahibi Wines has been crowned the North Island Young Winemaker of the Year. The national final will take place on Friday, the 6th of November in Hawke's Bay. McNabb is described as a passionate winemaker who loves working with the fruits from the Wairarapa region. The competition is open to emerging winemakers under 30 years of age. And this weekend, the Big Way Art Sale is still going ahead despite the fact that they've had to cancel the gala opening evening. While some COVID restrictions will, of course, be in place, the artworks can be bought from Saturday at the Carterton Event Centre. And Wellington Regional Emergency Management are holding an event for Solware and Kirapuni residents tonight to support, to pop along and show your support for the neighbourhood during an emergency. The drill takes place at 7 p.m. tonight at Masterton Primary School. And finally in sport, the Dalfield men and women both recorded wins in hockey at the weekend. The men 4-0 over Nainai and the women thrashing Karori 13-0. In football, the Wairarapa United women lost to Palmerston North Maris 2-1, while the men drew 3-3 with Petone. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.